who could use or could like songs all tuned without his permission. In this spirit, we make a kind appeal to the national government to expedite and strengthen the laws that protect John's work and that of other artists. If that is done, Cianaici angikoro tariu music uria aturitu igete music yake tariu ni utonia huruka ikwambiriria mandu moke na one man guitar marute music yake yothe na ikirio skiza tonini na itigakinyira John uguo John araturite arwite no horo cio your excellency ni ndaguthaitha witikire uguo ndigukunugia muno na maundu umuthi tikwenda guka kukuhoya kindu no tondu John ni ahuruka uyu niwe mbugo wa Kibiru na arathi president torona baba wanyu imite Murang'a moimaga Murang'a na muno Gatanga tondu muno wa Kibiru oimite Gatanga. Thank you very much.
Asante sana Bwana Muheria wa Kariuki. Thank you very, very much. Your Excellency, wakati our brother alituacha, tuliunda kamati na naweza penda kusema kwamba ulikuwa unatuitisha update ya vile mambo yanavyo